is Jaquetta with Royalty Interior Designs, and welcome to my channel. So today, guys, I am super excited because we are going to be bringing you a video on a closet makeover, and not just any closet makeover, guys, my closet makeover. So you know I am super excited, hence the way I'm dressed today, because we are going to be doing some painting, we're going to be doing some building, and I'm going to take you guys on the journey with us and show you a before and after video of the makeover of my closet. I kind of wanted to go for a more sophisticated, clean, classy look, and I got tired of my clothes being exposed. So as many of you know, my husband is a contractor, so he does most of the work around our homes as well as my clients' homes. So he is going to come along this journey with me today, guys. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap that notification bell at the bottom, and support your girl. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and so I can continue to bring you guys great content. Let's go. Did he say? Okay, so if you've been following me for a while, you know I am all about the details. Details for me are everything, and I feel like are very important. So I currently have black and gold hangers on my clothes now, and I'm going to change them out to the white and gold hangers because my closet system is white and mirror. So I just want everything to be a nice cohesive look, as well as I received these gold and acrylic handles. I got them off of Amazon. I think it was like a pack of 10 for about like $30, which are way cheaper than getting them from Home Depot or Lowe's. So if you are looking for these, you can get them on Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description below. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the details. That's going to make my everything just flow and come together. So we just finished putting this one together. Hey guys, so are you ready? I am super excited to show you the reveal. So let's get into it. So this is the closet system, guys, that he put together. I love how it came out. It looks super gorgeous, and it's just giving everything that it absolutely needs to give. All of these items came from Ikea, except for the handles. The handles came from Amazon. The links will be in my bio. And guys, you literally have to buy every single piece and pick every piece when you go to Ikea. That's the only downside. But here are the handles that I was telling you guys about, which are super gorgeous. And then over here, we have some of my bags, more bags up there, shoes, as well as my perfume and sunglass stand. And then over here, we have more shoes, sitting area, which I'm probably gonna move that chair to the other side. And this is the closet system on this side. This side over here, we left a little space for my laundry basket, and as well as he installed this so I can hang up my clothes for, 3 days at a time, outfits of the day, cute little get ready with me's. So yes, this is this side, and this side pretty much has how it looks inside. Some of my books up there. We have jeans, bathing suits, and I actually have more space on this side for extra stuff. Still have to organize it a little bit, guys, but you get the drift. So I'm happy that I do have a lot of extra space. But yeah, so this is the whole Hey guys, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you tap the notification bell down below. Tell a friend and tell a friend to follow me. Guys, I will continue to create great content once a week so you guys will be able to see it. Hopefully I can do it more often. I just have a lot of stuff going on right now, guys, for the next couple months. But I'm going to try to be as consistent as possible so I can continue to build my YouTube following. So also follow me all other social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at Royalty Interior Designs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you.